Hey guys, we finally finished up the home. So I'm going to give you a walkthrough and let you know what my wife and I has done. She couldn't be with us. She's out working with some clients, showing them homes and looking for another property for us to do. So let's take a look and see what you think. Okay, as you can see, we painted the exterior of the house along with the door. We did some landscaping. We just did some pavers and it come out to be real nice there without having to spend a lot of money. So let's go inside. If you remember the porch, we did some pressure washing. We painted the porch, obviously, all the trims, all that good stuff. Okay. What you think? My wife put her thing on it, and we got furniture for different places. Kept the flooring. We kept the fireplace. As we go into the dining area, kept the trim. No, I think actually we installed trim. And then obviously we put in the dining table and all that good stuff like that. I won't do too much talking, but let's just see how we put everything together. My wife matched up the colors. We installed granite instead of keeping the hard surface. And we also did new backsplash. We kept the cabinets, kept the appliances except for the refrigerator, that's new. They're all GE. Didn't too much do anything to the garage except for clean it up and back my truck in so I can finish working on things. The garage is a good size. It actually has a storage room as well. The screen and porch, we painted it, fixed the screens, put some furniture out here. It's a nice porch. And then we added a large deck out here. Man, people can do lots of gatherings on this porch. Wood is expensive. Yeah, you can imagine what that cost. Just going to give you another view of the back of the house and everything. We'll go back inside and let you check out the rest of the bedrooms. Okay. One bedroom here. We just put new carpet in. We kept the LVP in the main common areas. Guest bath. And of course showers on the other side behind the curtain. Then you got the second bedroom. The laundry area, we just removed the cabinets and everything that the previous owners had, and we just opened it up and left it as a laundry room. Coming into the primary master. Carpet in here. We just dressed it up, obviously fresh paint, new toilets. Put a little small closet system in there. And then it has a jetted tub. And has a nice size walk-in closet. Shower. And what we'll do is we'll check out the fourth bedroom, which is upstairs. Okay. So it was a bonus room. We turned it to a bedroom. It does have split unit mini split they call it. We added the closet. So now, instead of a bonus room, we can call it a bedroom. And of course it has a full bath, which is going to be your vanity, toilet, and then obviously shower. All right, just another walkthrough. So you can see that's your breakfast nook area. I love the granite. We did deep sinks for the kitchen. I mean, this is ready for entertaining for a big family to come enjoy. Again, I know some family will love this property. Hope you enjoyed the walkthrough. We really enjoyed renovating this home, and I know whatever family purchases it, they will enjoy it and enjoy this great community. Till next time.